Hey guys, welcome to my channel. If your iPhone volume has gotten low, you can boost it up to 300%. Are you tired of your iPhone's low volume when playing music, whether with or without headphones? No matter what iPhone model you own, don't worry. I'm here to boost your iPhone's volume to speaker volume. Today we're talking about the quiet sound on the iPhone and how to fix it with 5 simple setup settings. Then stay until the end of this video. In this video, we'd like to show you some tips and tricks, as well as shortcuts, that will help you get even more want to talk about the iPhone volume low responses. And if you're interested in videos like this one with tips and tricks for the iPhone and other Apple products, my channel is exactly the right one for you. So feel free to subscribe. Now let's start the video. For this, go to Settings. And then tap on Accessibility. Scroll down there, you'll find the audio and visual option. Go inside it, then turn off mono audio. After the turn on headphone accommodations, and under Tune Audio, set it to vocal range. And select Strong. Method second, go back to Settings menu. Go inside it, Hearing Devices. And then turn on hearing aid compatibility. That's it. And of course, I hope you enjoyed this short little video. If so, please leave a thumbs up. If you know any other tips and tricks, please let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more similar videos. And then we'll see you again in the next video. Until then, take care.